All right, so Dan hit a good drive, pulled it a little bit left for the approach shot. So we've got a little bit of a side hill, downhill, double whammy going on here,
a lot
right?
going on here.
And a very quick green. The greens here roll somewhere between 12.5 and 13 this time of the year. And looking at where we're heading over there, we've got a pretty good drop off beyond the whole location today. So talk me through, we've got a great practice facility here at Silverleaf that has a lot of undulations and uneven lies and all that kind of stuff that really help our members apply to the golf course. But talk me through what your process would be here.
I mean, kind of looking at the shot here, I obviously see that, you know, it's pretty downhill, kind of downhill and off to the right. So I know that the ball's probably going to want to leak off to the right first, right off the start. And being out of the rough too, I'm not going to get a whole lot of spin. So kind of looking at the shot, I kind of see that the green wants to run away from me at the beginning. So I'm really just trying to pick a spot that I feel like I can get it as close as possible. And with how quick the greens are, I'm probably not even going to land it on the green. So I'm kind of looking at a spot in the fringe fairway area up here and probably giving it a little bit of height and just trying to hit that spot.
Absolutely. Yeah. So what would you, in this case, because there are an infinite number of ways to hit this shot, right? Any shot in golf. The way that works best is what works best for you.
Exactly.
But where does your visualization, where does your brain take you as far as like club selection? You mentioned something about a landing area that to me looks like you're going to land at maybe half of the total distance, something like that, and then let it roll out. What club would you choose to do that, or how would you visualize that shot?
So usually, like when I'm coming up to hit my second, or my my green side shot with a wedge, if I miss the green, I would either bring like 3 or 4 clubs up here. Before we got up here, I saw that I was going to probably need some height just by looking at it first glance. So usually I'll grab some of my higher lofted wedges. I'll grab like a 56 and a 60. Both have, I like to manipulate the face a lot with both of them. So really kind of what I'll do is I'll actually kind of sit behind the ball and kind of see what one actually looks better and feels better to me. With this one, I'd probably use a 60 because I'm going to need a whole lot of height. Got it. Just because I know coming out of the rough, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of spin. So the best way to get to stop is just hitting it a little bit higher in the air. Got it. So yeah, that's kind of my thought process on it. And it's kind of like, feeling it out, feeling what's comfortable, and trying to really just visualize that shot and what club I think that's going to give me that result. Right.
Very important in short games to just be creative, visualize, but also understand the basic how the ball flight will be affected based on uneven lies, and how you need to change your posture to adapt to that and ball position a lot of times. Yeah. Good.
Cool.
Any questions?
Okay. I think we should be good.
All right.
Want me to hit this one real quick?
Yeah, let's see you hit that. Shadow out of the way.
Not bad.
Not bad. Pretty good. Left the ball below the hole. Yep. Probably could have played it up a little higher, but that's a pretty darn good shot from a tough spot. Very tough spot. Tough shot.
Cool.
Excellent. Great.